What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you the exhibition utility room key on the brand new airport map in Arena Breakout Infinite. This one is located all the way in the exhibition area on the far west side of the map. If we zoom in here, this large blue tent in the center, it's over on the south side right here. When you get to this massive blue tent, there's a safe in the middle you can unlock, and on the right hand side are these two doors. The further one is the one that we can open using the key. Once we do so, you'll see inside of here we have a few different lootables, including a military computer, which I didn't get too lucky with, as well as a toolbox right next to it. That's okay. And further on in the room, some general loose loot, though usually I just find cement in these places. And at the very corner here, on the north side, you'll find an electronic safe, which usually has some pretty good goop inside. Let's see. Yeah, that's not bad. I'll definitely be taking that back. But yeah, it's a pretty secluded area. There are, of course, loose AI roaming around, but hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.